Hello and welcome to the Eng T 185 class. This is the class for CATIA, which is the basic class for the 3D experience, formerly known as the CATIA version 5. In this class we'll get an introductory level to how the 3D experience works, have some fun building some parts and some drawings, making some simple surfaces and assemblies, applying material and shading the material, and very basic operations of the CATIA V5. You may find this your toughest class you've had. It is tougher than all my advanced classes because it's all new for you, so it gets a little frustrating at first because you're not used to the icons and where to find them. It's a little tricky memorizing them, but by the time you get into the more advanced classes, you've learned how to navigate the system and you've learned how to handle the infrastructure, and you'll be a lot more comfortable with the system itself by that time. So I promise you the first 4 weeks will probably be your hardest time, and it was for me. So if you're getting frustrated, just work your way through it. You can finish this, and I'm sure in the end you'll be happy you've completed the program. So again, I'm welcoming you to the class. Wanted to give you some of the rundowns on how things are going to be going. Hopefully you'll see this video. To start with, that's the only thing a little tricky because we're not showing up for class anymore. What you're going to do is get into class, and whatever time slot you're slotted for, and a meeting will be set up. I'm going to show you how to set up a meeting so that students can learn to run meetings on their own or conferences, so that you guys can work together just like we're in the classroom. You could have your own private conferences or additional conferences. I want to create a work-like atmosphere where you guys would actually be learning to communicate with one another. Since we can't do it face-to-face, I want you to learn how to do it through the conference call. I'm actually going to make others run the conference calls throughout the class. Once we get initiated into class, everybody will have a shot at running a conference just to make sure you understand how to do it, see how simple it really is, and start learning a new way of communicating. So I'm going to select this conference tab and show you how to create a conference meeting. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to hit conference, and how long do you want the meeting to go? We'll go 6,000 minutes. Enable that meeting for a recording, and then type in a description. I'm not yelling. In engineering tech, the engineering world, everything is capital letters. So simple, welcome to the CATIA, welcome to class. I'm going to hit that, and I'll start the meeting. And that's all it takes to get a meeting started. What you're going to want to do is you're going to need a microphone. You'll probably need headsets if you have people in your room that are interfering with you. If you use a school lab, you'll want a headset and microphone, which could be provided for you. I'll hit the microphone. I will allow the microphone to be used. It's doing a check right now. I'll hit yes.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
William Chow is somebody's. We're doing an example here on how to do a meeting, and I've already got somebody trying to get in. Anyways, I'll wait for him to get in, but I was just trying to get things off and rolling here, how to get into the meetings. That's how you start them. So what William must have done is he either got an email from me saying that the meeting has started, or went to Canvas. So when you go to your Canvas, I'll go back to my Canvas. If you were to hit the tab called Conference, you'll see all you have to do is hit join, and you can join the meeting. Okay, I'm already in the meeting, so I don't need to do that.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
And William, it looks like William checked out. Okay, so that's how easy it is to join. I'm going to check my inbox. So what you guys will get is a notice in your email for your student email. In your Eng T 185 class, a web conference call invitation started. You just click on that, and then click. You know, I thought you could click. I'm pretty sure you guys will get something where you can just click on it and you can just join the meeting from here. So you can either join the meeting from your Gmail account, or when class starts, just sign in, go to conference, and the little red button to join will be there. And you can go ahead and join in the meetings. So the class time for the meetings generally now is going to be to help you understand whatever it was you didn't get from the videos. A lot of the class will be done by video, and if something's unclear, we can take some time to try and clarify what you need to finish the exercise. And what I'm now doing is getting people to learn to work as groups. So what we do is, if you volunteer to show your assignment to the class, I check the assignment, and you get bonus points for sharing your thoughts with the class, sharing your assignments with the class. I find that we all learn a lot if we watch and see how people did things, and more importantly, what mistakes were made and how to fix the mistakes so that the mistakes are not made again. So I think you'll find that that actually has been a very effective way of getting through the class and getting a lot of material done. And people can work at their own pace with the videos. It allows them to pause and rewind if they missed a step. Fast forward it is what I always try and encourage everyone to do, is fast forward the video. And you can watch it twice speed. I sound funny, but you can get through the exercise a lot faster, and then just pause the video where you need to. So that's how you access the meetings, the classes. I'm going to put this in the welcome. And what you'll find in modules is where I have all my exercises. Under modules, you'll see right now it's called day 1, but I'm currently revamping the class. The green checks are things you're going to be seeing, and these are classes or exercises I still have not opened. I sometimes won't open them because I want you to finish the first exercise before you go on to the next exercise so you don't screw up another one. So they'll open up as we go through the class, but modules is where you'll find all your exercises. Okay? All right, so that's mainly the general gist here on how to access meetings and get going into class. Hopefully you'll get this video, be able to see it, and we'll see you in class.